Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to introduce my course plan for spoken English classes. This is my favorite quote from Mahatma Gandhi ji. Education is drawing out the best in the child, mind, body, and soul. So these are the highlights, curriculum overview, goals, objectives, format of the class, pillars of language learning, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing are the four pillars, and I have divided my course in these particular five stages. So what are the benefits? It improves your lifestyle. Your living style will be improved. It is a universal language which is used all over the world. We are able to understand the word, learn the word, how the word is working, how how we have to deal with the people. It is passport to employment because in every office or every corporate sector or in public sector or in private sector, spoken English is very important. It is very important in taking jobs in school, colleges, and universities also. It helps in our business expansion, like foreign trade will become easy if we are able to communicate with the foreign clients. Career opportunities and benefits, language of administration, and it will automatically develop our personality. What are the goals? To promote self development and creativity, to emphasize on providing the most modern and sophisticated learning environment, to develop a more qualified and learned society, to liberate the person from his inability to communicate in the corporate language of India, which is English, to increase his her potential to succeed in professional life. Naturally, if we learn, we will develop ourselves and our creativity will increase. We can write any article, book, or magazine in more better way than before. Objective. So these are the objectives which I'll cover in my curriculum. Frame grammatically correct sentences and spellings in English. Fluently speak in English in any situation. Express yourself in groups of people confidently, able to present your thoughts more effectively, participate at higher levels in group discussions and meetings, present yourself more confidently in personal interviews, speak in neutral accent, and also pick up US UK accent. Next is what the format of my class. Theory classes as well as more emphasis will be given on practical work like list speaking, reading, etc. Etiquettes and manners will be taught, learning by doing. That is, children will learn while doing the practicals or worksheets or assignment which I will give, and they will create a thought process in their mind while doing the work. So will they do the things and learn by themselves. That is experimental method. Language games and fun activities, spell bee competitions will be introduced. Pre-knowledge testing of the previous lecture will be done, and homework will be given after the completion of the lecture. Blackboard tests and assignments, use of audio-visual aids for for imitation method. We have to use speakers and etc. and all that. Improvement in handwriting, translation method of teaching will be adopted. That is, Both English as well as Hindi will be used while delivering the lecture. So, syllabus. You know, I have already told you that there are four pillars of language learning: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. First stage is listening skills, different ways of conducting oral work, role playing, oral composition, reproductive exercise by imitation by teachers, action by teachers, story outline, and teaching aids. So these are the ways which I adopt to make my students understand. Next is what to teach. All 44 sounds, which including vowels and consonants, will be taught to the students. Sound reciting drill, pronunciation drill, spelling drill, with gradation of the spellings, jumbling the words, vocabulary accumulation, that is naturally your vocabulary will increase when you will when you will be given lots of words to practice. Listening videos containing dialogues and conversations. The next part, speaking. Now speaking skills. Methods of teaching. Imitation method. Like I will speak the sound. Okay, children will listen to it. Then they will speak that sound in return. Phonetic method. All phonic sounds will be taught to improve their tones and accent and pronunciation. And subsidiary methods. Few subsidiary methods are there. Question answer method, debates and discussion, dramatization, recitation of poems, song method, analysis of sounds, language game, inductive technique, deductive technique, and loud reading. Next stage is reading. There are these basic components of speech. Stress on which word while speaking we have to stress will be stressed out. Intonation, that is the this is actually the intonation is like we what word has to be stressed, which part of the sentence has to be emphasized or given more stress while in our speaking. Rhythm is the rise and fall of sound. Fluency, in how much fluent manner without interruption we are speaking. And juncture and pause. Juncture and pause are somewhat same. Next, understanding of pronunciation, reading comprehension, reading of prose, reading of poetry. Next is the vocabulary stage. Here, syllabus is I will teach them homophones, homonym, homograph, synonyms, antonyms, idioms, phrasal verb, one word substitution, and formation of verb from nouns, verb from adjective, noun from adjective, noun from verb, abstract noun, adjective from nouns, and words often confused will be told. Other stage is grammar. The syllabus will be articles, tenses, parts of speech in which noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjections will be taught. Modals, determiner, passivization, reported speech, finite and non-finite, gerunds and participles, question tags, analysis, transformation and synthesis of sentences, phrases, clauses, simple, complex and compound sentences, and connectors. Next is the writing stage. Writing stage, handwriting practice, following cursive patterns, confidently writing a sentence, essays, letters, unseen passages, comprehension, picture composition, translation from Hindi to English, and jumbled sentences practice will be given.